today is Thursday. Today is our large bunker day where we Flymo, trim, blow them out, rake them, make sure sand depths are all good. Right here you have Flymo. Flymo is essentially a push mower that has blades that will allow the machine to float at around 2 inches. The best way to do it is, as you can see, Owen, he's keeping his knees bent, swinging the mower back and forth to catch everything. Usually it takes about 2 times over to catch everything. Owen is one of our returning staff, so he's got it down pretty good. Today we have 2 other guys that are Flymoing and then 1 person doing the trimming. This is our next step on our bunker maintenance day. Justin, who is a returning staff, has been here about 8 years. He comes in after the Flymo goes through and just trims any grass that's hanging over the edge that Owen from the last video missed. We do this every other week just to clean up the edges, and it gives them a nice crisp edge. As you can see, he turns the leader upside down and walks backwards, and that creates the best way of doing it. After this, the bunker crew will come in, blow the bunkers out, and push up any sand, and then give them a final rake. This is an extra step that we're doing today. This is a granular wetting agent that will allow a little bit more moisture to get down into the bunker faces. When we go through drought times, the bunker faces can dry out a little bit. So this will help keep that moisture on the banks. Normally we do 2 apps, this one, and then we'll do another one in about a month. This is our next step on bunker maintenance day. This is Angelina. She's been with us for about 2 years. She will blow out the bunker, anything that's been blown in from Justin edging it, any leaves, any soil that's made its way in over the week, she'll blow it out. And after that, she'll come in and check any depths that may need to be moved around. Sometimes the sand in some areas gets a little thin, so move that sand around. And any edges that might need a little bit of sand pushed up for them. This is our last step for bunker maintenance day, as she's just finished blowing out the bunker and now she's raking it. As you can see, she pushes hard down going one way and then pulls back a little bit of sand coming back. After this, she'll do the edges. Any edges that need a little bit of sand pushed up, she'll do that too. This is our final product for bunker maintenance day. Just to recap, we Flymo trimmed, then today we added a little bit of granular wetting agent to the bunker faces. Then we blew them out, checked for any sand depths that might need to be changed, and then we gave them a final rake. This process takes approximately 4 hours and about 8 team members.